The question is, you have two objects, okay? Which one is dark and which one is light?
Oh,
Number 2 is dark?
yes.
Okay, so if you give me the right answer, you will be getting 1 KC point. So number 2 is dark, that's what you're saying, and this is
But number 2 is dark in the.
is number 2 dark?
No, in the.
Background?
No. Not around in this group.
Okay, so yeah, you're right. Number 2 is dark. Are you sure number 2 is dark? You know what? Should I tell you the right answer? You know what? Both of them are the same color.
Yeah.
Should I show you? Should I delete the background and show you? Okay, let's start removing it, okay? I will remove this. Okay, watch now. It's the same color, right?
Yeah.
But then, why does it look like when we saw the picture like this? It looks like these are different colors. Yes, but if I remove the outside, I get to know that this is the same color. So what do you see on your screen? Yeah, you love your dragon. Okay, so you know what? We'll read a story about dragon. Okay, do you like dragons?
I like dragons, but I don't like to read.
Oh, you don't like to read? Okay, then what we can do is we can have somebody else read for us. So somebody else will read the story. Can we just listen to the story? Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's listen to the story.
My dragon and I have been friends since I was a baby.
So my dragon and I have been friends since I was a baby. And now I want you to read, please.
We go everywhere together.
Okay, that was easy. We go everywhere together. And
My dragon and I love
music.
music
Yes, so my dragon and I, we love music and reading. Okay, do you like music?
and we love the beach. My dragon and I share snacks.
Okay, what are snacks, Romy?
Snacks or snacks?
Snacks or snacks? You like snacks? I know you love snacks, yes. Okay. And
Jam.
and just try this one. This is J-U-I-C-E.
Juice.
Yes. So my dragon and I, we like snacks and we like juice. Okay. And what is this big word?
I don't know.
Okay, so adventure. Do you know what is adventure? I know you love to do adventure, but what is it? Do you know?
No.
And in today's class, this is all that I wanted to do. So I hope you liked it, Romy. So do you like it like this or do you like it with Tamar?
I like most of them.
Okay, you like both of them. All right, Romy. So this was all for today. I'm gonna see you next time. And till then, have fun. Bye-bye. We will complete the story in the next class, okay? Okay, bye.